Good kitty. How would you say it? Perfect. Say it for me, kitty. Say, perfect. Perfect.
Hey fam, this is Caddis Corpus with Poison Ivy Deadly Nature from Sideshow. There's two variants. There's the green variant and the natural skin tone variation. And we have lovely box art. There's nothing really special around the sides, just thorns. You can see in shipping there was like a little bit of damage here, but nothing to be worried about. So let's get to unboxing. Alright! So I'm going to grab the base out. For these you have to be especially careful. This one came in styrofoam, some come in the black foam. So this is the base. Be careful and take it here. There we go. Usually, we know the number from the bottom of the base. Let's see if there's anything on the bottom. It is 60 out of 1,000. Looks like, I'm going to turn it around for you all to see the front. Is that centered? Okay. Just making sure it's centered. Alright. I'm really loving this design. It captures Ivy to a T. You can see the muscular details on her. You can see the dirt on her feet as she goes barefoot because she's one with nature. We need to find where to put it in. I think I see it. Usually I have it facing me, but have a clawed arm here. Very nice. With the vining detail all around the sleeve. This looks like it needs some glue tack. For those of you that don't know what glue tack is, it saves your life when there's loose ligaments or objects that won't stay on a statue and you won't cry about it later when it falls. Let's see, something's wrapped up. Okay, kidding guys, there's nothing in here. Alright. Let's add her face. Very nice. Has some of the styrofoam on it. I'll brush it off later. She's not one-handed, so we're going to give her her other arm and hand. Also great detail. This one has a magnet on it, so this one's strong. So this one just pops in. Like a loose magnet here, so yeah, definitely good tack on this one. And now we have some vines. I heard a snap and I thought it was this. But I think that's just a phone coming out. Alright, let's see. It's almost like building a Gundam without instructions, even though that's more intricate. Oh wait! I think I found it. I think I found it. Yes, no. Maybe, 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 maybe. Maybe, 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 maybe. Ooh. Now that's slick. I like that. Because she's commanding the branch. Another branch piece. This is all accents. Oh, look at them. They're color coded. Alright, we're back. Needed some expert finding, so I'm going to tell you guys so you don't have to go through the pain I went through. Over here, this is the white one with the two pegs. Boom and boom. Uno and dos. Then we come around and we find, I believe this is the pink. No, this is the red. This is the red one. Right here. And then, this one has to be the pink. No, I lied again. This is the yellow. And over here, like right here, this is the other red. This is like the shorter branch red. This goes here. If I can put it back in, you know. There you go. And then I'm going to turn it so you can see can't turn it. I don't have a turntable. Sorry, guys. Hopefully you can see it from here. Then over here in this crevice was the painful one. This was the blip. It's right here where the sack is. So I'm gonna put that back in. If it allows me to put it back in, you know. Don't you know? Alright. And then I said pink. Where did I put the pink? Did I miss one? This is pink. Pink right here is right next to the skull boy. So right next to this lovely guy with his mouth ajar screaming for his life. Well, not anymore. Because he's a skull. Because he's dead. Anyway, all branches are basically down. And was there another branch that I failed to mention to you? I think that was all the branch pieces. Because they were the hardest parts. Yes, I believe that was all of them. Yes. So here is the back view of Ivy. Happy Women's Day for your March, women. Happy birthday to me. Not today, but it was yesterday. And I'm going to turn it back. Now on the base, I did notice like some teeth, broken parts right here. However, that might just be cosmetic. I would have to re-look at that. So here, and where else? Right here on the tip. Alright guys, that is the Poison Ivy Deadly Nature.
But since I'm here, if I could just... You don't have to rinse out your cans and bottles before putting them in the recycling bin, okay?